Step 3 says add interest or subtract service charges from your bank statement in your checkbook register. All right, well, if we come back to this second page and we look over here under interest summary, it tells us if they paid us any money, if we had any interest paid this month. And did we? No. Remember, we're looking only at interest paid this statement. And this statement, we had no money paid. So we are not actually going to add any interest into our register at this time. Now, the next thing that it says is to subtract any service charges from your bank statement into your register. Well, if there was any charges, service charges, we would have seen it down here somewhere in our transaction history. So let's say we would have made a purchase and not had enough money in our account, and we would have gotten an overdraft fee. It would have shown up in here and it would have said something like overdraft fee. So let's say right after check 110, we didn't have enough money. So the next one would have said something like overdraft fee, and there wouldn't have been a number. And then it would have said over here under withdrawals like $30 is a common fee for it. And then they would have taken the money out right away. We wouldn't have known about it until we got our statement. And step 3 says what you have to do is if the bank takes money out of your account, you have to add it into your register. So what that would look like, we don't have one, by the way, we don't. But if we did, I would have to come into my register here and I would write something like right here, I would probably write BS for bank statement. I would put down the date of the bank statement or the day that I'm balancing it. This first line I would write service charge, and then underneath it I would write from bank statement. Under debit I would write the amount that the amount was, which is $30. And then over here I would write in the $30 and subtract it out, okay? If I had interest, so let's say that I actually got $5 of interest this month. Over here I would write the same thing. I would write BS for bank statement, and I would write, in here I would write, or maybe I might put I for interest, put down the date, and then I would write interest, bank statement, and then on here I would put it over under credit because they gave me money, and I would write $5 and I would add the $5 in. And that's how you do step 3, okay?